Come with me to the Anambra meeting of the Anambra in Zurich. I decided to wear my Senate made in Aba before we hit the road.
Get in the neighbor.
Hey, how to do?
Get in the member to her. Who's Jenna? Mama?
Yes.
Yes. I heard you go. Family. I joined Zuko. Zuko on the Anambra. Switzerland. Who's Jenna? Where can I go? Chukky joke. Where are you? Eating there. Anambra. Uche? Edigi? Where are you? Anambra, where? Now you go. You never. Over the chief. How about forget? Ebe ka anyị na-eje. Emage. Anyị na-eje meeting da Anambra. Oh? Ada? Ebe ka ị nọ onye aka ị ga afọ gị na azụ. Ha? Nne. Ị go okay. Ebe anyị na-eje. Anambra meeting.
Where is Chukky?
Yes. Ebe ka Chukky na. Yes. Yes. Anarahora.
Yes, the car is full.
Yes. What the jureju?
Let's see, of course.
Hey yo.
Fula.
Yes, beautiful family. And the best them one allow I know what to do. Anyaja. Ezibonne. Nedi okay. Nene nyo munni. Nena akpakọta ụmụ. Odozi akụm. Yes, mgbe iwe ori akụ agado.
That's the real name now.
Huh?
That one you like to call me when nobody's listening.
Ngwongwo na ngwongwo. Oh yeah.
How are you?
Okay.
Hey,
he may be Guemu.
It's not true. You are the one teaching me.
Yes. Hitting the street, hitting the road. Happy Sunday, everybody. Yes.
And once we reached the meeting place, everybody was concentrated. Discussing the preparations of Virigi 2025. And after some heated discussions, it was finally time for the best part. Chukky was already excited. It was time to eat. There was rice and stew, ofe obono, and ede with red oil and ogiri obe. Very special flavor.
You know?
This cocoyam is a bit like potato, a root grown in Alibo. And there was even some leftover for our Ikuke Chukky. He's slowly learning how to follow Igbo commands. Practice makes perfect. And I'm sure after today's experience, Chukky will be most happy when it's time for the next Anambra meeting, knowing very well that there will always be bone for him. Just like Brutus always used to enjoy these meetings. Nijureju. And while Chukky was busy chewing his bone, Umuwoke were cleaning the room. Yes, that's also part of getting together, putting hands together to clean up before it's time to go home. So after eating and drinking and talking, it was time to say goodbye.
Meeting is finished.
Yes,
Where are the children? I thought I heard Chukky. Yes. And that was it. Anambra meeting of February. Hey, March. Okay, time to say goodnight. Yes. Kachifo.